Hey everyone, so today we're working on my 2004 Honda Pilot. We will be replacing this. This is the flex pipe for the exhaust. Here's the catalytic converter, the front head header pipe, the rear head header pipe, and then here is the flex pipe. So mine is completely rotted away, and the reason I'm replacing it today is because there is very bad exhaust gas smell in the car. I had to disconnect one of the sensors from up top, and then I unscrewed the second sensor that is on the opposite side of here, right there. I had to unscrew it just because I didn't want to mess with the wires, because I have this, and then I have it on a ramp, so I can't really get to back there, so I unscrewed the exhaust sensor, the O2 sensor, to make that easier. So I'll be using this exhaust tailpipe cutter to cut about right here, about right here. I have a tailpipe expander that I'll expand this joint right here and that one. And then I'll be picking up another flex pipe from my local Riley's or AutoZone or whatever that is, Auto Value, and then welding that in to have a nice fit in there, and then hopefully should be able to drive just in a short time here. While this tailpipe cutter does give you really straight cuts, it is brutally hard and painstaking to actually make a few cuts to cut the piece off you need. The arthritis in my hands started giving out, so I had to switch hands multiple times throughout the process to get this tailpipe cut. Here I am using that flex pipe that I bought from O'Reilly's, and I'm using the exhaust cutter to cut it to length so that it would fit perfectly between the two pipes that I need it for. At this part in the process, I'm using the Harbor Freight tailpipe expander to try and expand the pipe so it would fit perfectly over both sections of the pipe. Now this looks like it's going by pretty fast, but this is like 40 some minutes of solid screwing and unscrewing and playing back and forth to try and get it to fit. This took forever. It's welding time. Enjoy this pretty short welding montage to show you that I, in fact, did weld this up. So when you look at it and see how bad the welds are, it was me, no one else, to blame for this. So here I've got the pipe all welded up. There's that part that's welded in here. And the welds, aren't the greatest. But they're so much stronger than they need to be. Like this, it's still hot. This will hold up no problem. You can see the big fat welds. Yeah, that's gonna hold up probably longer than the original pipe will. Yeah. Oh, it's still warm. But I'll just slap this on and then should be good to go with the Pilot. This is probably like, a hour to like 4 hours project, taking the muffler off, or the catalytic converter and the headers off, and then cutting, welding. Doesn't take too long, but I saved a lot of money than either replacing the pipe for 300 bucks or paying a shop to weld that in. Does look a little bent from here, so we'll see if it bolts up, hopefully. If not, just longer bolts and should be good to go.